Lots going on right now on Rollercoin with the Agitation campaign puzzle event and also another race tournament and a lot more. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alright, quite a bit going on Rollercoin, so let's check out all the events. On my screen here, you can see my homepage of Rollercoin with my hustling and bustling room here with all the miners and my little avatar here wearing the alien invasion helmet, okay? So I've also got in the background here, as you can see, expeditions going on. There we go, I'm doing 2 sland at the moment. I've got another 2 hours and 51 minutes remaining for that one, and I've collected 6 rewards so far. So that's just a bit of a brief on expeditions. So keep on going strong with the expeditions because you do get quite a bit of rewards and prizes that can help you through your entire journey on Rollercoin. So first and foremost, Agitation campaign, which just started yesterday. There are 2 days, 8 hours and 10 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. So this is a puzzle event. You can see the rewards at the top here. Typical puzzle event with 16 levels, and you do get the progression bar at the top and also the puzzle on the side here. So for every 4 tasks that you complete from the side menu here, you will get double rewards. You will get 1 piece uncovered and you'll also get something from the top here. For example, the first one is Sunkish Shores. So let's check out the rewards at the top. Sunkish Shores, we can see at 825 terahash, and this can be sold. There is also here, after you complete 8 tasks, the American Dream, which also can be sold at 704 terahash. After completing 12 tasks, 2.95 petahash, but this cannot be sold. This is the American Spirit. So this is an event where you can get this American Spirit because you won't be able to get it through the marketplace. And again, if you complete all tasks and 16 tasks, you'll be able to get another American Spirit at 2.95 petahash. So potentially you can merge the 2 American Spirits into a more powerful miner as well. Here in the puzzle pieces, at random, for each and every task that you complete, you will uncover one of these pieces at random and you'll get one of the rewards at random. So here we have the Apollo Miner right in the middle. There is no bonus attached to that. Look at this Patriot Blaster here, 2.2 petahash at 2% bonus power. So that will boost up your total power quite significantly as well. There's also the Fun Zone at 2% bonus. There's also Luxury Life with 1% bonus and 640 terahash. Liberty Digger at 1.1 petahash and 1.83% bonus. Dragon Pride 16T Plus, which will give you 50 terahash and 0.75% bonus. And here we've got the nice 6% GT Aminator at 660 terahash. That's quite a significant amount of bonus power, okay? 240 RST, 720 RST, another 120 RST, 480 RST. There is also temporary bonus power. For 14 days you get 4 petahash, and I've already uncovered 1 piece here, which was also another 4 petahash as well, okay? So I also got that 4 petahash. It is temporary, but at least it will get you that crypto faster, even if it is temporary. Declarator 407 Plus at 407 terahash with 4% bonus there, and Breezy Bay at 204 terahash, but no bonus, okay? So you'll get these at random for each and every task that you complete, and remember that for each 4 that you complete, you'll be getting a piece from here and the miner from the top of the bar as well. Now, also going on at the same time, like we had recently, there is also a race tournament. This time in the race tournament, you can get to the very top by winning games and by opening lucky RLT loot boxes, okay? So let's give this a try, okay? So I've already got times 4,000 because I did open a couple of loot boxes. I'm going to open a loot box so you can see this live as well. So I'm going to go to the store section and I'm going to go to the loot boxes. And I'm going to open one of the loot boxes. And by the way, the prices of the loot boxes have changed. So here you can see it's now 2 RLT. If you go to more details, you can see that the rewards can go up to 500 RLT if you are ultra lucky. Okay, so pretty much the rewards remain the same, but the price has reduced by 1 RLT. So this was before 3 RLT, this was 5 RLT, so these have reduced, and the rewards have, I believe, remained the same. If they haven't, leave me a comment down in the comment section below so that we can all know about this as well. But I think it was the same before as well. I've never gotten up higher than 50 RLT for this one, for example, so I'm not sure about the other top tier rewards that you can see in the list there. I do believe this has gone up 1 RLT though. This used to be 12 RLT, but I've never really opened much of the more expensive ones anyway, so these seem to be the most popular amongst many rollers out there, so the price for those at least have reduced. Okay, so I'm going to buy this one, since the more loot boxes you open, the more you get. I had times 4,000 already, okay, so I'm just going to open this loot box, and here I've stayed exactly the same. So 2 RLT, I've actually gained 0.01 there, okay. So now if we go to that event again, we go to the race tournament, we can see that my 4,000 became 5,000, and I've gone up from, I believe, position 84 it was, to position 72. So the person currently in first place is Kate Mate, and that person has 122,000. There is still 7 hours and 55 minutes remaining for this race tournament, so be sure to do your best, because you will be getting some rewards if you get to at least 75th position. Okay, so you get something very small there, but at least it's something. I am currently in position 72, so quite down in the charts, okay? So keep on opening those loot boxes. You can potentially get the first place reward, which is the Deep Crypto Space Miner. This miner cannot be sold, and it'll give you a whopping 8.2 petahash per second, okay? So that is quite significant. You also get 2,000 RST and 10 petahash in temporary bonus if you manage to get first place. In second place, you'll get the Shadewood Sorcerer, which also can't be sold, and this is the epic variant at 7.1 petahash, so that's also quite a significant amount. And in third place, the miner that you get is the Lantern Technomancer, which also can't be sold. 6.8 petahash, and this is the rare variant of this miner. Again, you get RST that comes along with that, and 10 petahash in temporary bonus power. Okay, so just keep on opening those loot boxes. You might get lucky, like for example, I literally did not lose anything by opening that loot box. You can lose, and you can also gain as well. So it is a bit of a gamble, and remember to play those games as well. So just to demonstrate here, I've got 5,000 points. I'm going to try one of the games now just to see how much points I get. I don't think it varies with which game you play or with which loot box you open. So I'm just going to give Flappy Rocket a try here, a quick and simple game. So I'm just going to open that up, play that, and see how it goes. Okay, so from 5,000 points, how much more will we get by completing one single game? Okay, let's see. Okay, almost there at the end, and there we go. So claim reward. I'm not going to wait for that. I'm just going to go to the race tournament straight away. So 100 points for each and every game that you complete. 1,000 points for each and every loot box that you open. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to risk this. I know that I opened a 199 loot box, but I'm going to open a 399 loot box as well, just to see if it makes a difference in points, which I don't believe it does. So 5,100 points. I think I'll still get 1,000, regardless if I open the more expensive one. So I'm going to try this 4 RLT one now. Get that, and actually gained, because I saw this go up here. I gained some, so 6 RLT. Hey, I was lucky. So if we go back to the race tournament, as you can see, that came to 6,100, so it's still 1,000 points, okay? 1,000 points for any loot box that you open, so you might as well open the cheaper ones, because they will get you the same amount of points anyway, and you can open more of them with less risk, okay? At the moment, there are also a couple of bundle sales that are going on. I'm going to quickly go through those. So sales and popular here, you can see we've got Mr. President. You can get the Mr. President for 799 Dodge, which will give you a 30% discount from the original price. You get two Mr. Presidents there that you can merge. I've already got one of those from a previous event as well. 30,000 common wires, and you do get a 34.86 petahash temporary bonus for 30 days. This 799 Dodge, so the price of Dogecoin right now is around 14 cents 5, let's call it 14 cents 5. That pretty much equates to $115 if you were to convert Dodge into US dollars, okay? Now you can also purchase this in RLT, but it will cost you 151 RLT to get the same package, which means that you'll be spending more because you're doing it directly through RLT. So here, technically, you're spending $35 more because 151.49 RLT equals $151.49. So you're saving roughly $35 if you do it through Dodge, okay? Now, there isn't a 35% discount on Dodge. I would have assumed there would be to entice more players to actually get that package by using Dodge, but there is a 35% discount on TRX at the moment and a 20% discount on Shiba, okay? So you can convert more RLT if you want for spending less of your crypto by taking advantage of these offers, and then you can still get that bundle through the RLT option, and you would have saved already through the 35% discount here, for example, if you convert TRX to RLT, and you will be getting more RLT for you to be able to enjoy and to spend on those bundles, okay? So you can do it that way as well. Last but not least, there is also a crafting offer going on at the moment. This is the Emiraham Craft, and there are still 3 days, 7 hours and 49 minutes remaining. American Empire can't be sold. Columnar can't be sold. And another American Empire, but the uncommon version, that is the first row. Obviously, you need some prerequisites here, and you need some RLT to be able to perform the crafts, but just note that they can't be sold, the American Empires, the Columnar, and here we also have Ancient Icecraft as well, which also can't be sold, okay? So all these cannot be sold, so there are crafting offers going on at the moment, which will give you some exclusive miners, so be sure to check those out as well. And remember that you will be potentially completing some of the tasks you have in the puzzle event as well. So when you're playing games for the race tournament, for example, you're completing some of the tasks here, like win 25 games. When you're opening the lucky loot boxes, you are actually completing some tasks from here as well. So remember that you are pretty much getting more rewards when you're actually performing these tasks at the moment because of this puzzle event that is going on. There is no crafting listed here, so when you do crafts, you are just getting those miners exclusively and not contributing to any of the tasks in the puzzle event. But nonetheless, you are still earning more rewards because you're getting those exclusive miners as well. So if you manage to complete all 16 levels, you'll get both these miners that you can merge into a very powerful miner, okay? So a very powerful American Spirit miner. So that is pretty much for all the events that are going on at the moment that are hot. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.